Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. It is a beautiful day out here, and for once, temperature's not going to be in the 90s. You know, I don't know what it is about this year, but the fishing has been slow. And the few that I did catch, well, they're all little. In fact, we're back at the same place where last weekend I did manage to catch a few bass and my first catfish for the year. This is the 4-inch little Berkley nightcrawler. And I like doing the same thing. Basically, you just hook it and thread it right down the middle. And once again, something's on the... Caught something! There we go! Ooh, yeah! Oh, nice! Oh, wow! This is actually one of the bigger ones I caught this year. Very nice. There it is. It does have pretty good weight on him. Yeah, probably about a quarter pound, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, there it is. Caught them on the gulp crawlers. There we go, folks. Very nice. And that's the funny thing about it, folks. I've been getting more hits on the gulp crawlers than I did with the minnow. This time I think I'm going to put a little piece of shrimp as well as the chicken. See if we can finally catch this catfish. I have like maybe 4 pieces of shrimp left, so I'll give it a shot here. There we go. Actually, this time around, I think I'll try maybe the emerald green shiners gulp minnow. This is a 3-inch emerald green shiner. Yes, caught something. Ha! There we go. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this is good size. Nice. Even a bigger than the other one. There we go. Look at them, folks. Not bad, not bad. That is a decent size. Probably my biggest one for the year so far. This one definitely feels like it's at least about half a pound. Not too shabby. On this, there we go. About the same size as the other one, a little heavier. Not bad. Oh, we've been out here for almost 2 hours now. Did manage to catch 2 quarter-pounders. Basically one closer to a half a pound than a quarter pound, but still a pretty good start. Whoa, I think I caught something. Yeah, I did catch some. Crap, I think it's a snapping turtle. Oh, yeah, it is definitely a snapper. No, nice. Caught me a catfish, folks. There it is. Just when I was about to leave. Very nice, good size too. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Look at them, folks. That is a good size, easily about a 5-pounder. Not bad, first catfish of the year, folks. Just when I was about to leave, I caught this guy. See how heavy he is. Almost a 4-pound catfish, folks. Not too shabby, my first catfish of the year. Look at him. Check it out, folks. There it is. First catfish of the year. Not too shabby. Almost a 4-pound catfish. Caught it on a chicken shrimp combo. We'll try it out using my go-to lures. So far, these are the lures that I've been having a lot of luck with. The Berkley Gulp. I have a wide variety here, anything from the power bait minnows to the Berkley Gulp Worms. We'll give it a shot and see what we can do. I think we'll start things off with the Emerald Shiner. This is a little 3-inch Berkley Gulp Emerald Shiner. Out of all the lures I've tried so far, this is the only one that I had a lot of luck with, and you catch pretty much everything with it. Anything from bluegills, crappies, bass, and even catfish. So we'll give it a shot, see what we can do. And what I like to do, I just like to thread it right down the middle, pull it out, and that's it. Ooh, look at that. Oh, frick, cast out and I already have a hit on it. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Caught something. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Nice, very nice. Very nice. Oh, good size too. Look at them, folks. There it is, folks. First one on the Berkley Gulp minnow. Good size, maybe about a half a pounder. Not a bad way to start. Only about 10 minutes being out here. There we are, folks. There it is. First catch of the day. Not bad, not bad. See if we can catch something that's bigger. But she does have pretty good weight, maybe about a half a pound. So there it is. Let's try it over here, and this time we'll try some of the Berkley Gulp Worms. I did well with them before, so if we can catch anything using them today. And give it a shot using a Berkley Nightcrawler here. Wow. Oh, caught a bluegill. One thing for sure, anytime you're using worms, that's usually what you catch. Decent size, not bad. But maybe a 6-inch bluegill on the Berkley Nightcrawler. Yeah, I know I've been relying a lot on my go-to lure, which is the Berkley Gulp minnow. But this time around, I'm going to try out some of the lures that I know I still need a lot of practice with. And I'm not going to go with any of the Berkley products this time. We're going to try it out with a PB&J Zman Hula Stickz on a Texas rig and see if we can catch anything with that. Okay, let's give it a shot using the Hula Stickz. And the way that you fish a worm is that you want to fish it real slow. You don't want to work it too much, they say. Caught something. Woo! Yeah! Oh wow, he is a good size. There we go, finally, folks. Biggest one so far. Yes. Guys, at least about a pound and a half. Not bad. My biggest one so far caught on the Hula Stickz, folks. I am happy. Woo! Very nice. Very nice. Look at them, folks. Ooh, wow. Yeah, about a pound and a half, maybe. Very good weight to him. My biggest one of the year so far. Yes, look at him. Good looking bass. There we go, folks. We've been out here for a little bit now, but I did manage to catch me my biggest bass for the year. Anyway, I think I'll probably be heading out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like, leave your comments down below, and consider subscribing for some more fishing, knives, and kits. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later.